Good evening, Web3 community. We have Ovia today, our co-host for BitsCrunch Discover Chennai event. Ovia, what is your role and how do you feel the vibe today?
Vanakkam Chennai. I'm Ovia. I lead DevRel for Octo by CoinDCX. I also run a local regional chapter of the Phoenix Guild called the TPG Chennai chapter, and that's how we started collaborating.
Great. So, how is the vibe today? What do you feel?
It's amazing. I think this is the first time we've conducted an event at this particular location, and I feel like the audience are loving the vibe. There's a lot of participation. I didn't think so many people will come on a weekday for a Web3 event, and we started planning quite recently only,
Yes.
right? So I mean, I feel like it's a huge success.
Yes, great. And also happy to collaborate with BitsCrunch.
Yes,
And looking forward for more such events in Chennai, not only in Chennai, all across the globe.
Definitely.
Yes. And particularly talking about your role, DevRel, how important is that in Web3 community?
So when you talk about community, Web3, many people keep saying this, that Web3 is all about community, right? But when you're actually building for Web3, building a consumer apps or even building any apps, you need to know about the platform that you're building on. So we have so many blockchains, but the DevRel team is the interface between the tech, the platform, and the developers building for Web3, right? So this is like the we are like the bridge between these two things. So if you want to use Web3 as consumers, good apps need to be built, and for good apps that need to be built, we need the developer relations team to help you build on that platform.
Amazing. So developers are our key players.
Yeah, of course. Great. Yes, that's what even I'm bullish on in this bull cycle. I feel like there are going to be so many consumer apps that I think that's the next major step, right? Web3. So initially we started with technical problems, infra level problems. We built so many infra tools to solve these problems. The next natural step is to build apps so that the users can come on board. So yeah, this is the trajectory that I'm bullish on.
Amazing. So this is the start of 2025. We are getting that started with BitsCrunch Discover.
Yes.
So what are your plans for 2025?
Oh, 2025, I have huge plans both on personal and professional fronts. I'm from Octo. Octo is an orchestration layer. So we basically help Web2 or Web3 developers build on Web3 in an abstracted way. That is, we basically reduce their building time. We abstract out all Web3 complexities. And this is done via our Octo chain. Our Octo chain testnet is launching next month. So post that, it's going to be really busy for me. A lot of hackathons, a lot of interactions with the developer community. So I'm excited for that.
I think that is good. All good. So looking forward for the bull run. So hope good things happen to TPG, happen to Octo, and also for BitsCrunch.
Yes, definitely. I've known Vijay for a long time, and I've been asking him, let's collaborate, let's do something. And both of us are bullish about bringing the Web3 Chennai community together. And we've spoken about it multiple times, and I'm glad we could realize it today.
Amazing. All good. Kudos to your effort for this event.
Kudos to you, Aditya. Yes. It couldn't have been possible without your planning, coordination. So
let's be bullish about the market and also to ourselves.
Yes.
All good.
All good.